So I am halfway through finishing up my seasoning of the meat for Friday. Yes, it is Tuesday. Team Extra in the building. I want to make sure that they're well marinated. So I seasoned the ribs already, the beef, and now I'm going to make the sauce for our jerk chicken. So the sauce that I'm going to make is going to have some scallion, thyme, onion, ginger, sweet pepper, pimentos, garlic, some Maggi jerk seasoning, some sugar, orange, like some really soft oranges. I'm going to juice them and add it to it. Some lime juice, some nutmeg powder from Island Spice, some soy sauce, vinegar, coconut oil. Oh, that's not coconut. This is coconut oil. Some coconut oil, and you can see all kind of different brands, right? Some coconut oil that I'll use to put on the chicken so that when we put it on the grill, it doesn't stick. Some cinnamon, and am I leaving out anything? No, I'm not. So yeah, these are the things that I'll be using to make my jerk chicken marinade. Yeah, I like when things well seasoned. So I'll just give you a snippet of the whole process. All right.
Bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back then, you're looking for a smile. Bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess,
Guys, I legit can't explain to you how good this smells. Ooh. Jerk marinade in the building. Now some persons may be asking me how much of the powdered seasoning I put, like for each thing. To be honest, I just put until I hear a voice say, put no more, my child. Put no more. So I'm going to add a little vinegar. And then after I add a little vinegar to the mixture, I'm going to add the powdered seasoning. And then I'm going to blend. Put no more, my child. Okay, all right, I hear you. And then of course you can decide how much seasoning you put based on the amount of chicken you are marinating. All right, so we're gonna blend this up, blend it up. So I added a little water to help with the mixture. So here we go.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you
Okay guys, so I have washed my chicken in vinegar. You know how we do, right? And I'm keeping the skin on sort of as a protective layer so that the meat itself doesn't get burnt when I start jerking them. So I'm going to put a little coconut oil. Yeah, real coconut oil. Yeah. On the chicken before I put on the marinade, because I want to ensure that when we put it on the jerk pan, okay, I think that's enough. When we put it on the, not jerk pan, on the grill, that it does not stick. It doesn't stick to the pan. And yeah, this is homegrown chicken, y'all. Homegrown chicken. Well, we didn't grow it here at home. But yeah, it's homegrown chicken. From one of our friends. Yeah. One of our church sisters, actually. Alright, so I'm just lathering all of the chicken with the oil. Just making sure that it has some oil. And then I should have drained this off a little more, the vinegar water, but it's fine. The vinegar helps with the taste anyway. Alright, so I think all of it has a little bit of oil, I think. And then I'm going to get the marinade and I'm going to pour it. See right here? I'm going to pour it over it.
Hi guys. Hi.
Let me see.
I was just saying hi, Mom.
I know, baby.
I can still say hi.
Hold on. Alright, so I'm going to pour the marinade. Excuse me, Mama. Excuse me. I'm going to pour the look at that. Oh my goodness. Lord of mercy. Guys, look at this marinade. Smell good, don't you? Woo! Yeah, Lord! Hallelujah!
It smells good.
Yeah.
It smells like ginger.
Yeah.
Or some mint. Mint beef.
So I am getting all this marinade out. You know, we can't leave anything in the container, in the blender.
So it doesn't like blend up with the other stuff that you like mix in it?
Yeah. And two, I just want to get everything out. So,
Smells like...
smells good, right?
Yeah.
So now that I have the marinade, guys, look at this. She's, oh my gosh. No, Mama, not with those. So now I'm going to get it all in.
Like mix it?
Yeah.
Like mix it with the marinade. It smells so good.
It smells.
Smells like mint.
It does smell good, Mama.
I don't remember the word that it smells like.
Yeah.
But it does smell
It smells delectable.
It smells delectable.
So guys, So when I'm marinating meats, I want to make sure it gets all in. So under, everywhere.
I want my piece.
Yes. This is Brian's cousin Jane, and she's actually videoing for me. Oh, this smells so good.
My cousin.
Oh, sorry, Brian's niece, Bria's cousin. So I want to make sure that it gets in all the crevices and corners. Yes, man. I try to just push it as well underneath the skin. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Get it all in there. Oh, he says season and season good, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Smells good.
It does smell good,
I
baby.
can't stop smelling this.
It does smell good. And you guys might have realized that I did not use any pepper. I did that intentionally because...
My mom doesn't even give me pepper. Cousin Jaden loves pepper at spicy.
Yeah, because we don't like pepper.
Yeah. That's not how the way God made us.
I may have some Indian heritage, but for some reason I can't tolerate pepper.
Guys.
But you see, you're putting it under there. Yeah.
Okay, Jaden, can you please do a video of when I'm helping mom?
Alright. So, not using any pepper. Oops, but I promise you it will be so delicious and well seasoned.
And delectable?
And delectable. And anybody who is coming, if they want pepper, they can always add. I have some Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm going to make some... Yeah, I'm going to make some sauce so that... You sure you don't want to come back Friday?
I do. Let me just come on Saturday instead, so I can have my good chicken.
Alright, so...
It looks like good chicken is something.
This is going to marinate. Today's Tuesday. Yes, Team Extra in the building. We marinate from...
Cusling's
from
in the building.
So this is going to marinate until Friday.
And then Friday is Christmas and I can open your present. It's
Yeah.
gonna be like really
It is going to be. Alright, so yeah. Alright guys, so I got this portable grill on Amazon for $30-something. I don't have a jerk pan, so I had to improvise. And I thought of getting a grill, but so many of them are so expensive, but I found a very inexpensive one on Amazon. And I'm going to show you how it works. So this is the grill, and it opens like this. And inside you have two racks. So you have this rack and you have this rack. So just before I put the racks on, there are two things on the sides that support the grill staying open. And then I put the first grill in, the first rack in, that is. And then on top of it, I'll put the coal. And then I put the next rack. And then on top of this now, I'll put my chicken and everything else that I'll be grilling on Christmas Day.
I feel like you're like grilling some I feel like you're gonna grill and selling stuff.
Okay, like a jerk chicken man out the road, right? So guys, this is very inexpensive, $30-something. I'll put the link down in the description so that even if you're interested, and I love that it's portable, I have the box, we can just fold it up and bring it anywhere. This is something that you can try out, all right?